Yes, here we are at the canal, as you can see.
I can't believe I got a video of that robin. That was so
Where the
beautiful.
legend back in 92 happened about the
Babe,
legend
carefully
of...
walk over there, somebody's feeding the animals.
Who's?
Look.
A person?
No, there's birds.
Oh
Feed
yeah.
things there.
Yeah, on the bird feeder.
Oh, carefully, they're all flying off here. I'm like, nope, see ya. Wow, I never knew that was there.
Oh, the fuck's off. Oh
Yeah,
dear.
if we stand here long enough, they'll come
And
back.
there's a pumping station. A few days ago, we was on the right and the other side of that. It's beautiful up here when it's real still and warm like this. Oh yeah, there's a dish there for them.
Oh, yeah.
So let's put dish so that the birds can get fed. What? Let's have a closer look. That's a real nice gesture. Somebody doing this for the wildlife.
That's well cool.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's nice to think that people are actually thinking about that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I'm digging it. Digthisshit.com. Oops. Ooh. Luckily I didn't stand in that, guys. That looks like the Donomy I had the other night.
I walked the other way. So
Yeah. Did you see it though?
No.
Did you see it?
No.
Chills. Did you see it? No, we're actually trespassing because this really is a private road.
Oh.
Hence
But
why.
there's no gate. There's no gate there.
There's no gate, so it's implied right of access. So we can. We're not breaking any laws, we're just trespassing. Oh dear, fuck. I'm scared.
Don't go swimming at the end. Although I'm not jumping in there to save you. I would, but...
It's alright, I can't swim. I fucking drown within a minute or two of being in there. I'll be like, oh, it's so cold. Oh, fuck. You'll be going, Jack, Jack. Like freezing, like water right down there.
You jump, I jump.
Yeah. Yes, if you jump, you will fucking jump.